I am Siddiqui. My student ID number is S224 777 and in today's video I will be sharing my overview and my submission of HD task of SIT112 Introduction to Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. So here is the HD file, collect file, and the two data sets which I have received from running the two files. So in this collect file, I was required to install the Google API Python client and import the following libraries given in the file. Here I copied the settings function, and from here I got the channel ID from the news publishers. Here we have the different functions which were present in the file. We have executed all the single ones, and in this cell we have cleaned the data and kind of organized and sorted it out of the comments and the videos of the two data sets here present. And finally I have in my last cell I have called all the functions, and in this way all of the functions above will be executed. So here, as you can see, all the different videos and comments are collected in the file, and at the end it's collected and the data is cleaned as well. So in this SG task we were required to gather different data from the videos and comments of the YouTube videos and find out the sentiment analysis, whether it was positive or negative, based on the opinions or facts of the viewers. So that's what the SG task wanted us to do, to basically find out the sentiment analysis of the YouTube videos and comments, which will be shown right here. So here I also included the Python client and imported the following libraries which were present in the HD file. Here we have done the same thing with the collect file, and here is my code. So for the code I have done the E1 question, the first question. Here we have imported the following libraries for the plot, seaborn, and the text blob. I've imported it as well, and that's how we will be finding out the sentiment analysis. Here we have the get sentiment function, which will be returning us three different types of data of neutral, positive, and negative. Here we, as you can see in this code, we're basically finding out the neutral, positive, negative kind of attributes of different data, different videos, and different comments provided by the YouTube. Here you can see we by running the collect file we got two data sets of comments.csv and videos.csv. Here in this file we have included this in our code. Here we are merging it, and we are grouping it all together by giving it different values. Lastly, we have the last function, which will be making the plot itself. Here as you can see, I've decided to kind of give it a big figure, and here we have the three different type of attributes which will be received by the users, which were present in the comments and videos of the YouTube. Here we see all the graph and the plotting is done very carefully and very nicely displayed over here. And here lastly I have called the function twice, first for the video, and second will be the comment, because the question asks us to find out the video and comment sentiment trends between 2020 1st January and to 2021 1st January. So here as you can see, by running the cell we'll be getting this output where we can see there are four different types of channels, and this is the first part of the question, which will be the video title sentiment trends. Here as you can see, after the four different channels we have the comment sentiment trends, BBC News, CNN, and lastly MSNBC. So here, what my observation would be, the three observation which I found out by reviewing, by going and by carefully reviewing these graphs, would be first, the common sentiment is more diverse. I think it's more like fluctuating. The user engagement is more present in the common sentiment, I guess, and that was my observation here. The second observation would be that the neutral, sometimes the people are very neutral. They're like favorable and unfavorable at the same time. So the neutral attribute is also present in the uh, data. Lastly, my last observation would be that that a lot of the comments were seen to have a negative sentiment. So that was my third observation, that mostly in comments it's just very negative. It's not doing so well in terms of the sentiment part. So that was my third and last observation. Uh, Now I would like to discuss a little bit of problem which I faced and how I overcame it. So here we have all the following libraries. Here I was stuck in a problem that would be about the word cloud. It wasn't executing at first, but uh, by looking up some resources and by finding out some things, I got to know that we have to install it first. So there it is. I've installed the word cloud first. The second problem which I faced in my library part would be from pandas dot common dot errors and import settings with copy warning. That was a line, but I removed the common part and just included the pandas dot errors. Just because this is the reason. The reason why, because there are different version pandas, and um, that was the reason why it was just running. So uh, I removed the common part, and that's how it is running right now. Pandas are errors, import with setting coming, copy warning. So by making changes here and there, it was running smoothly then. And yeah, that was the whole submission of my edge task of SIT112. Thank you.